Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Blessed everyone, Dancehall skilla here again. Manners and respect. My people, I'm going to talk about a certain amount of videos that have been posted on social media in this video. Alright? Now, here I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person doing certain things in ways that some drugs abusers would do. Now, my people, because I do not have certain confirmed information about the situation that I can see in the video viewing subscribers, I'm going to explain to you, to the best of my knowledge, how I understand about this video. So I got the understanding that because the video shows the person doing certain things in a certain way, it had been concluded by some persons that the person was doing drugs, and the person also had been accused of doing drugs. You can tell me what you think about the situation. You can tell me if you think the person was doing drugs or if you think the person was not doing drugs. And I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. Please do not do drugs. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. This really and truly look away, my people. This really and truly look away.
Check this out.
Say no to drugs. Do not do drugs. My people, I also assume that some letters that I see on a type of clothes that the person was wearing spell the word security. So I think you might have a good understanding as to what that can mean by pointing out that. You see me I say? That's it away. See? Anyways, if that video reached the right eyes, OMG, say no to drugs. Don't put yourself in trouble with the law. Don't put your health at risk. Don't do it. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, my people, I saw pieces of videos that have me wondering about a situation. See, me wonder if somebody make a mistake or somebody do something wrong. And this is why I'm going to present pieces of videos to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between one person and at least 3 other persons. At least one of those persons was wearing something that has the word police mark on it. And one of the videos that I saw shows when one person who was holding an object that looks like a gun hit a person while holding the object. Now, if that object is what I really and truly think it is, and I think that there are some people who might have a name for what that person had done. Maybe I have 2 different names too. Now, I got the understanding that at some point, those persons walked away from the person who they were involved in some type of a confrontation with. So that's some people. And that person said some harsh words. Someone was wrong when it comes down to this situation, my people. So More you look at these pieces of videos and tell me what to think about this type of situation. Now, viewers and subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when these pieces of videos have been recorded. Some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these videos. Observe with me.
When you hit the foot, you can lose the life to the end. You can lose the life to bro. You hit the death to the end. When you walk with him, bro. You just like, no, hit the foot, I'm a f***ing up. Because you don't listen, you are man to where you expect nothing. When you stop harassing me, you don't like to stop harassing me, boy. Why out of fight of the but like only for you are. Right only for you are. You can't be there to us. Why that? You can't be there to us. You can't be there to us. You can't be there to us. The more city boy. Why somebody boy? Kiss your ass boy. Why kiss your married mother? Why your mother?
OMG. How would you feel if you had been approached by a certain amount of persons and at least one of them are wearing something that has the word police mark on it? And then you might have been hit and approached for a reason that you might not even know about. How would you feel? Especially if you're sure you're innocent. How would you feel? And that person who hit the person was not wearing any form of police uniform. Then, so me only point out say at least one of them was wearing something that has the word police mark on it. So me I say nowadays because of the amount of different things that happen all over the world, me can't jump and say, oh, well, I saw it go. That's the thing, you know, I'm not condoning to certain behavior, but I'm just asking, how would you feel? Let me know what you think, young people. It really and truly set away. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so with that, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that's going to show some things that happen when two persons confronted at least one person. And those two persons who confronted the person were each holding at least one object. Two persons we can hear talking in the video said some words in angry ways. What caused that type of confrontation? I think it would be best if you look and listen to these videos for yourself, my people. Oh, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these videos. Observe with me. Watch the approach, my people. Watch the approach. How the approach this? Listen. Look at this.
No, what are you?
Yeah, listen to me. And listen to me good. You see him? Your blood clot put back in for me picking. Because your blood clot woman, me not beat your blood clot woman, and me not touch your blood clot woman. So love me bumbo clot pick me alone.
So which part?
What the f*** your box me picking it for? Done job of clot, you know? Yeah, me uncle and me with done job blood clot. Tell you woman, say love me to put back your blood clot for me pick me.
You talk about killing and
Tell your woman, don't make you put back your blood clot for me pick me.
Better me know what I
You hear me say?
Tell her that.
Tell your woman. Don't
Tell me
make
that,
me
tell her. So me stab you in your
Well, my people, me don't know what nobody else to know, but me that call at least some of the words that one of them person that said, some type of a warning. What would you call it? You might be wondering who are the pitney when it comes down to some words that have been said in the video. But listen carefully to the video. I listen again if you never listen carefully. You see, in the first place, tell me people, no one should not hit anyone. No one should not hit anyone. Adults should be protecting children, and everyone should be protecting everyone. Let me know what you think about all those videos that I presented to you in this video. Here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.